Okay, you are welcome back to my studio. So I'm back with the shirt, with the tunic. You can see on the table now the back pattern. I've turned the neckline, but I've not top stitched. This is the front pattern. I've already turned the neckline, I've top stitched, I've made the slit. Then this is the placket that I'm using. Video on how I turn this placket is already in the workbook, so you don't need have any issue that can watch it. This is the smaller one that will be on this side. This is the standard pocket for tunics. You understand? The dimension is also in the workbook, 7.5 by 6 inches. By the time you fold it, you would have reduced to 5 by 5, 5.5 by 5. However, I'll be using this smaller pocket, small round pocket. That is what is needed for this start. So now let's go back to the machine to sew the placket, then I'll come back to join the pocket.